Okay, Proton Saga 2020 version. Okay, for TV3 socket with canbus. Okay, handbrake. Okay. Okay, have to add on a TV3 canbus for Proton 2018 version onward. Okay, this TV3 canbus Proton can use for the Proton Saga 2019 onward, Proton Iris and Persona 2018 onward. Okay, have to remove the original socket, then add on the TV3 socket plug and play. Okay, so this is plug and play connection, TV3 socket. Okay. Okay, have to plug in the TV3 socket, plug and play.
Original dia awak.
Okay, the wire can go already.
Okay, the blue color one is to connect the original USB slot, USB cable.
Come.
Okay, after add on the TV3 canvas socket, okay, video can play. So now release the handbrake. Handbrake release, video keep on. Okay, pull up the handbrake, video keep on. Okay, handbrake release again, video keep on. Pull up handbrake. Okay, so this is TV3 socket for Proton new car 2018 onward, plug and play socket. Okay, video by Andy, installed by One Piece. Thank you.
So